Mechanical keyboards are increasingly popular with typists and gamers thanks to their satisfying tactile or clicky switches, durability, and customizability. In a similar way, artists and photographers now demand printers with fine color fidelity, media flexibility, and long-term reliability. This roundup evaluates each model.
List number 1. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 Wireless Wide Format Color. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 is a wide format A3+ or 13 by 19 inch printer built for art and photo uses, featuring a 6-ink system, a hybrid of dye and pigment, and refillable ink tanks rather than cartridges. This dramatically lowers ink costs over time. Users report it can deliver hundreds of prints per refill at a fraction of cartridge cost. Reddit users confirm the ink cost savings benefit of EcoTank models like ET8550. In performance, the ET8550 leverages Epson's Precision Core printhead and advanced nozzle technology to deliver fine detail, smooth gradients, and excellent color transitions, important for reproducing subtle shading in art prints. Its ability to handle thick media up to approximately 1.3 millimeters or 50 mil via a manual rear feed is a strong plus for fine art papers, watercolor paper, and heavier cardstock. Also included a 4.3-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, and software support for ICC profiles and color calibration, making it a serious contender for artist studios. On the downside, as a sophisticated printer, it demands regular use and maintenance. Clogging or nozzle drying can be a risk if left idle for long. Also, its upfront cost is higher than basic photo printers.
List number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 is a more compact, entry-level, all-in-one print, scan, copy printer using the EcoTank refillable system. Though not marketed specifically for art, its low ink costs and respectable print quality make it a viable option for smaller format art prints or practice runs. Because it's a smaller device, the ET2800 is limited to more modest media sizes, e.g. up to letter or possibly 8.5 by 11, or A4 in many regions. So it's not ideal for large fine art pieces. Its print head and color fidelity won't match premium wide format photo printers, but for smaller works or proofs, it offers decent performance. The EcoTank architecture ensures that you aren't paying exorbitantly for cartridges, making it a budget-friendly choice for artists who want to experiment or test before scaling up. One caveat: for critical art prints where color matching, gamut, and archival permanence matter, the ET2800 may fall short compared to dedicated photo printers. But as an all-purpose, low-cost ink tank printer with wireless convenience, it holds appeal as a versatile toolkit printer in an artist's workflow.
List number 3. Canon PIXMA Pro 200S Professional. The Canon PIXMA Pro 200S is a dedicated photo/art printer designed for serious creatives. It supports up to 13-inch by 19-inch A3+ borderless prints and uses an 8-dye ink system, ChromaLife and ChromaLife Plus series, that produces rich, vibrant colors, smooth transitions, and strong vibrancy across a wide tonal range. Many art review sites and buying guides highlight Canon's photo printers for their superb color reproduction and gallery-level output. Because it is optimized for art/photo use, the Pro 200S typically offers better control over color management, greater media handling options, and more robust software for ICC profile support and calibration. It tends to handle thicker fine art papers, glossy, matte, and textured media well, giving artists flexibility and output. The Pro 200S's dye-based inks offer excellent vibrancy, though in some archival comparisons may lag pigment-based solutions under extreme conditions. It also has higher ongoing ink costs per milliliter compared to refillable tank systems, so heavy volume users should weigh that operating cost. But for printmakers, illustrators, or photographers who prioritize
List number 4. Canon PIXMA G620 Wireless Megatank Photo. The Canon PIXMA G620, a Megatank series model, offers a bridge between cost efficiency and photo-centric printing. It uses refillable ink tanks, thus cutting cartridge costs, while aiming to deliver better photo or color output than typical all-in-one tank printers. For artists wanting to keep ink costs down without fully stepping into the premium photo printer segment, the G620 can be an appealing option. In practice, the G620 supports relatively wide media sizes, though not always as wide as true photo or A3 Plus models, and allows for color printing with decent fidelity. It may not match the flagship Pro series in gamut, saturation, or handling of specialty media, but it brings an excellent balance for those producing limited editions, proof prints, or smaller artworks. Because its ink tank system lowers per print cost, it's a smart option for artists who print regularly but not at mass volume. The trade-offs are less advanced color management, narrower media support, and possibly lower longevity of print output compared to high-end pigment printers. But for many independent artists, the G620 is potentially a cost-effective home studio workhorse.
List number 5. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color. Since the Epson EcoTank ET2800 was already covered above, entry-level, low-cost ink tank, good for smaller formats or art proofs, there's no new model to review here. Its strengths remain low running cost and wireless convenience, with limitations in color sophistication and size. If you meant a different Epson EcoTank for art use, for example an ET8500 or ET15000, I can include that instead.